completed the onboarding process. Now I'm going to show you how to create the new project, import the BOQ, release the purchase orders. Okay, so first let's create a new project. Let's click on this, enter your project name. You can enter your client mobile number. Project address is nothing but your site address. Here I'm just giving an example. Okay, and you can add your site engineer. You can add multiple site engineers as well. So, okay, and now let's create the project. So once you click on this, you're going to go inside your project. So this is how it is going to look like. Either you can import the BOQ or you can create here itself by clicking on create heading. Okay, so now here, once you click on this double X mark here, you can see these details. First is edit project. Once you click on this edit project, you can see the project details that I had entered earlier. If you want to make any changes, you can do it here. Okay, now let's go back there. Okay, here you can see the import BOQ option. Click on that, select your file. It's going to take some time to upload the BOQ. So this was the Excel sheet that I had uploaded just now. Okay, and kindly make sure that the basic format of BOQ is maintained, which is description, quantity, rate, unit, and amount. And if you have any other remarks column, you can add the same in the description itself. So here you can see the total amount is 5818,009. Let's go back there and see. Yes, the process is complete. BOQ has been imported, and here you can see, as I've showed in the Excel sheet, it's the same amount. Okay, so this is the BOQ amount. Here, if you can see corporate expenses, so anything, any other spendings apart from the PO can be added here, like petty cash or something. If you give add expense, be it anything for training, travel, or any other purpose, and also you can upload the invoice or receipt images here. Okay. So this is how it is. So now here, for example, let's do one thing. So if you go inside this BOQ, if you want to add, more description to this, you can click on this. And if you click on this three dots here, you can see some components written here, which is add work item, add material item, or be it add work plus material item. For example, so I'm going to show an example now. Once, for example, RCC 120 mm thick floor slabs. First, let's add one material item first. Let's say, for example, brickwork. Say red brick. Mm, red brick masonry work. Let's say 100 quantities, 100 numbers. So your quantity and unit as per your own calculation, and rate, let's say 15 rupees. Okay, and now next let's add one work item as well. Work item labor, which can be civil and structural, masonry work, labor. I'm taking the same quantity, which is 5532 SFT. Let's say some 90 rupees. Okay, so again you can do the same for multiple items as well. Okay, now next, if you click on this purchase, so see, now that I've added work and material items, those will be reflecting in these unreleased items here. Okay, let me click on civil and infrastructure. Once you select that, you can generate the PO. Okay, so here you can see the same here. And let's also, you can choose more items from here also, because I have just added only one. You can see only that. If you have multiple, you can choose the same from here also, here as well. Now let's add one first payment milestone. Let's say mm, advance amount as 50%. Okay, now on delivery 50%. Okay, now confirm your milestone. You can see advance 50, on delivery 50. Okay, and here you can add your vendor details as well. Earlier in the onboarding I had shown you the vendors that you have added. Either you can select from them or you can add a new vendor also here. Okay, and you can add contact person, site engineer details is nothing but you can add your procurement team and site engineer details here, and your payment terms, special instructions. You can add all of those details here. Billing address, shipping address, again these can be changed. Okay, now before releasing, let's just preview and see first. So this is how it is going to look like. Okay, now release work order, continue. Okay, now here after releasing the work order, now we'll have to request for the payment. So before that, so the PO that has been released, the vendor will be receiving the details via WhatsApp. Okay, next let's request the payment here. For example, milestone amount is this much, right? I'm going to click on that. Okay, enter, you can say it as advance amount or anything. Let's request. So now the payment request you can be viewed from here. Come on the left side, home page, come to finance approvals. Yes, so see here you can see the payment request. Also, as well as that, you can view the PO for the same as well, whatever details. So now here you can approve, proceed. You can comment, and then comment. Finance team can make any. So now once the finance team has updated the payment, you can be viewed in the records as well. See, and same again here you can view the PO. So here when you view the PO, you can see that the amount has been paid, bill paid. So this is how the procedure is going to be for importing the BOQ, doing the indenting, and releasing the purchase order and the payment request.